Tired of manually adding contacts to Wati one by one? I'm going to show you how to import them automatically from Google Sheets in literal seconds. Let's dive right in. This is super straightforward. First, make sure you've got a Google Sheet set up with all your contact details. A column labeled phone number is absolutely essential, and I recommend others like name to make your life easier later on. Now, hop over to your Wati account and, on the left-hand menu, click on Contacts. This is where all the magic happens. On the Contacts page, look for the glorious Import Contacts button, usually located at the top right. Click that bad boy. You'll be presented with different import options. Select, you guessed it, Google Sheet. This will trigger a prompt asking for Google account access. Grant Wati access to your Google account. This is necessary for Wati to read the data from your sheet. It is important to check if Wati is a verified application. Next, you'll need to map the columns from your Google Sheet to the corresponding fields in Wati. For example, connect the phone number column in your sheet to the phone number field in Wati. Do the same for name and any other relevant fields you have. Once everything is mapped, click Import. Wati will start importing your contacts in the background depending on the size of your list. This might take a few seconds or minutes. Don't worry, you can carry on with other tasks. Congratulations! Your contacts are now imported into Wati. You're now ready to unleash personalized campaigns and engage with your audience effectively. It's that simple. Have fun.